Alright, so it's the morning. It's New Year's. I'm gonna go fishing for a few hours. But I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to say. Oh, yesterday I said I caught a redfish or a red drum. That was not a red drum. I don't know why that came out. It was a Gulf Kingfish or whiting. I don't remember the other names. There's plenty of other names, but it was not a red drum. I don't know why that popped in my head. Probably because I was trying to catch those yesterday and plenty of people catch them. But I'm gonna go fishing, and I'm walking down to where the old pier used to be. I don't know what happened to it, like I said. But I'm gonna go down there and hopefully fishing will be better than it was last night. Yesterday fishing was actually decent. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be better in that area, but let's go. Alright, we're out here. I'm all set up finally. Hopefully catch some fish. The water looks awesome today. It's about 54 degrees. The water temperature is like 40, or it's either 40 or 60. Guys, we have a fish on. I think it's a pufferfish. Yo, look. He's not puffed up right now, but we got a puffer. I want to see how long he is and take the stats. I was hoping he'd blow up because they're really cool when they blow up. But check them out. Alright. We got our puffer. I'm so glad I caught, even though it's a sea chicken, it's whatever, it's still a fish. So I'm gonna try to find a better setup to where like y'all can see me reeling in and stuff. It just wasn't really a good time. It just kind of happened instantly. I just saw the pole and it just kind of went down a lot. Then it just kind of went down and I was like, all right, look, and I was trying to reel it in. I was like, it's heavier than normal, so yeah. So hopefully we can catch another fish. Hopefully it's not a sea chicken. I love saying sea chicken. Yep, got one on. Y'all, this one is huge. Got another puffer, finally. It's a big one. Alright. The time is getting extended, so I'll probably do a day 4, maybe even 5. I'm gonna be here at least an extra day, maybe an extra 2 days. maybe next year 3 days. I don't know exactly what's going on, but we'll figure it out. It's getting extended. All right, I'm done for now. I'll come back out at nighttime. Hopefully I can find a way to get warmer, but sunset was awesome. The moon is out. But that sunset. Got my fishing pole and my spike and chair. I'm gonna probably go to the right tomorrow for fishing. We're gonna fish for sharks. I don't know if I have a big enough hook for it or enough, just because if they're big enough, then either the line will break or I won't be able to get the hook out or something. But it's been a good day. All right. I'll see you guys inside. We were successful with 3 pufferfish. All right, so it's time to eat, and I'm gonna fry my fish and make some rice and green beans. Fish fry, egg wash. Gotta put the oil in the pan. It's for green beans, fresh green beans, and then I just grabbed one of these, just easy rice, because I don't make rice. But we have things, so I'm gonna get all that situated, get it all in there. I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. Well, I'm gonna go through it actually. Just put it in the egg wash, then just throw it here, and the fish fry. And I like to do it twice. Alright, ready? And I'll put that in about 2 to 3 minutes. Got the green beans cooking, and then, my rice. Look what we have here so far. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We got the lemon for the fish, we got our green beans, the rice. I am so excited. So I'm gonna go over to the table, eat it. I'll let y'all know how I feel about them. So we'll taste the whiting, and then we'll taste the pufferfish, and we'll see how we like it. All right, so first thing first, I have this big old fork, because every dish else that we have is dirty and it's in the dishwasher. All right, whiting, Gulf Kingfish. Wow, look at that. It's like shiny. It smells so good. So the part I'm afraid to try is the pufferfish. It just tastes like your typical fish. That's good. Okay. So as long as I'm not dead by tomorrow, I'll have more to eat. Okay, so that's it with day 2. It's too cold to go outside. It's 43 degrees. It's 11 something right now. It's 43 degrees. It's way too cold out there for an hour and a half, 2 hours. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am excited. I'm waking up around 7-ish. 7 or 8, something like that. And I'll go fishing then. I'll probably wake up actually 6:45, 7, and go fishing. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't checked out day 1, feel free to go do that. It should be either here or here. It'll be somewhere here when I'm done talking. Make sure you subscribe. It'll be somewhere over here also. Look forward to day 3. I'm gonna make like a playlist. Once I upload day 1 and day 2, I'll go ahead and put day 1 into the playlist. But all right, well, let's as I like to say, let's get her done. And on to day 3. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.